Hey guys, so today we're gonna use these yoga blocks to increase your ROM during a push-up. My name is Josh. I am a functional health coach here with the Holistic Ape, and let's just hop right into it. So first off, what does ROM mean? ROM simply means range of motion. It's basically the range in which you work in any given exercise, right? So today we're focusing on the push-up. So a typical range of motion for somebody is, hands on the floor, feet and back, and simply going down. So my ability to go from the top to the bottom and then back up, that is my given range of motion. Now, if somebody has an injury, maybe their range of motion at the moment is here. I don't know. That's just an example. So for advanced calisthenic athletes or people who just want to advance their push-up practice and make it a little more difficult, we can use these yoga blocks right here. So there's 3 different levels. The first level, which is on this side of the yoga block. So simply place them down roughly under your shoulders, maybe slightly wide. I like them slightly wider, but yeah, just put them down. And now you can see my range of motion has just increased. So that was level 1. If you want to get a little more crazy, get a little more stretch, a little more work, then put them on this side. And now you can see, again, our range of motion has increased. And the last level can get a little bit crazy on the tall side of the yoga block. Okay. Now, disclaimer, just be careful, don't hurt yourself. These are a little more shaky, right? So you're gonna be working a little bit on your stabilizers here. So we put them here. Again, good alignment, good form, and go down, kiss the ground, boop, and come back up. So play around with those different ranges of motion. It can get a lot harder. You might see some increases in strength and flexibility. So again, my name is Josh with the Holistic Ape. Thanks for watching, and give us a follow if you liked this video.